Hi everyone, I am Crystal May Alganson from Grade 12 St. John of St. Peter of Verona Academy. Today, we will talk about the electromagnetic radiation. Without further ado, let's get started. Have you ever stopped to think about how electromagnetic radiation affects our lives? From the warmth of the sun to the signals that power our cell phones and laptops, EM radiation is all around us, permeating everything in our universe. But did you know that while it offers countless benefits, there are also potential health risks associated with it? It's important to understand the different types of EM radiation and how they interact with our world so we can harness their power responsibly. The electromagnetic spectrum is vast encompassing a range of wavelengths, each with unique properties and applications. For example, radio waves are used for communication purposes, while infrared radiation is used in night vision technology. Visible light allows us to see our surroundings, and X-rays and gamma rays are used in medical imaging and cancer treatment. The benefits of electromagnetic radiation are undeniable. It has revolutionized communication, allowed us to diagnose medical conditions, and is used in scientific research. But there are risks associated with it too. Excessive exposure to UV radiation from the sun can cause skin cancer, and high doses of X-rays and gamma rays can be harmful to our health. We need to take a balanced approach to mitigate the risks associated with EM radiation. Sun protection measures like sunscreen and limiting exposure during peak hours are essential for minimizing UV exposure. Medical professionals have strict protocols for minimizing radiation exposure during procedures. And for low-level radiation sources, the scientific community is continuing research to better understand the potential risks. Electromagnetic radiation is a powerful force that shapes our world in countless ways. By understanding its properties and implementing appropriate safeguards, we can continue to harness its power for a brighter future while minimizing potential harm. It's up to all of us to use this invisible force responsibly and respect its power.